Smile at yourself and do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be happy to do. See, when you do like that, your body is also saying no, 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 no. So be happy and do 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now keep your legs shoulder width and just do some semi squats, about 50. Okay. This is very good. It gives you more life energy. It gives you prosperity. It improves the circulation of blood in your body and lots of things. Okay. It makes, do not do this in the night, otherwise you will not get sleep. Okay. So shall we start? Please. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 26, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay? Now after that, if you have lots of flexibility in your knees, you can do it this way. Okay? But I think most of them are senior citizens. Okay? So we'll go the simple method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? The other foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. Then now rotate your right foot clockwise. 1, 2. Make small circles. 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 5, 9, 10. Up and down. 1. Your heel. This is a heel exercise. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other foot. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after doing this, you can do some bending exercises. Just see people with spine. Okay, this, you need not do this bending exercise, but you just think that you are going forward, you are going backwards, down. Okay, don't bend, you just think that you are just doing it. Okay, people with spine problems should not bend down, but all others can do it. Do it 10 times, please. This actually distributes the energy in your entire body, that is one thing, and the heaven energy and the earth energy become balanced in your body. Is this clear? Ten times. Okay? Now, just do some clapping, because when we did the exercise over here, there is lots of dirty energy. So, we are actually trying to let go of the dirty energy. Okay. Now just sit down and just try to find out how well you are able to inhale and how well you are able to exhale. This heart of ours, okay? It is in front like that. And the planet Earth. Can you see? This small planet Earth, we have just brought it for you all so that You can observe this and send the blessings over here. You have to send pink light from your heart to the earth. Okay? So the aura of the earth will become with love, that is with pink. After that, you become aware of your crown. Is this clear? From the crown, you will have divine light and you envelop the earth with divine light. Then, what happens? Your heart and your crown have become one. They have become one. And you are receiving light unconditionally from above. You become a being of golden light. What is the meaning of golden light? You become a precious being of the divine sitting down on earth. Means you are just his channel, you are just his instrument. See, as we wear gold in our hands, our body, as we keep gold in our houses, that is our wealth. But do you know, when you meditate, your body, your organs, your entire aura becomes golden. What it becomes? It becomes golden. And that is the success of your power. If you have a golden body, if your organs are golden, if you have so much light from above that is of gold, wherever you will go, you will receive everything. You will receive what? Everything. Because you have power. So power can attract power. Okay? Power can give power. Without power you cannot give. Without power you cannot receive. So this is what we are becoming. Sitting here, what is in heaven we are able to receive and give. Is this clear? So this is what is twin heart meditation. Now see, the key is over here is what? We have already cleansed your heart. Okay? We have already cleansed the heart chakras. Is this clear? By forgiveness, our hearts have already been cleansed. Is this clear? Okay? Now, do you know where is your heart? Physical heart. Okay? This is the physical heart. Your heart chakra is over here, in the center of the breastbone. Okay? Now, just all of you become aware of this center of your heart. Just become aware. Only 2 fingers, not a full palm. 2 fingers, not a full palm. Okay, smile at that point. Can you feel what's happening when you smile at that point? What's happening when you smile? You actually experience that it has started pulsating more. What has happened? You can actually experience that it has started pulsating more. Why you experience that? So see, we are all beings of light, love and power. Wherever you will direct energy, wherever you will project love, that part will become more brighter, that will pulsate, and that will become what? It will start radiating that energy towards you. Okay? So if your heart is going to be healthy, don't you think that you will become more healthy? Your organs will become more in the control of your soul, not others controlling it, not pills controlling it. Is this clear? So the secret of life is in our heart chakra. Where is the secret of our life? It is in our heart chakra. If our heart function is very, very pulsative, very, very light, very loving, very caring, very nurturing, that is good health, happiness and everything is there within us. Is this clear? Now, just all of you be aware of your crown. Okay, just tap your crown 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now just see what has happened to your crown. Can you feel something moving or something? Can you become aware? There is a chakra over there also. Okay, so when you tap the crown, you have actually activated, okay, that chakra also, or you have become aware that there is one energy center here also. Now when you are doing the twin heart meditation, we are becoming aware of our emotional heart chakra and God's heart. Now in Patanjali Yoga or in Sanskrit, it is said that this crown chakra or the Sasahara chakra has 996 petals. How many petals does it have? 996 petals. And the heart chakra has 12 petals.